Come on, Tess. What happened to the here? There it is. What about number 1? What do I do first?
Add 8.
Add 8. There you go. Autumn, you with me, dear? Okay. Catherine, you with me back there?
Yes, ma'am.
You don't sound like Catherine. Alright, so let's see. We have negative 8q minus 2q is equal to 50. There you go. How do you say 50? 50. That's right. That's right. I got my teams down back. Thank you, Joe. Thank you much. I got those. What else? You do what? You subtract these two. Negative 8 minus 2 is negative 10. When you're multiplying two negatives, make a positive. All right, then what? By negative 10. Negative how much? 5. There you go. All right, number 2. Here we go. No. Negative 4 squared is negative 4 times negative 4, which is positive 16. Now, when you multiply two negatives, make positive. All right, how many x's do I have? 1. So what do I do to the 5 and the 2? You multiply. There you go. 10. Very good. All right, how many y's do I have? 1. So I do 1 times 2 is 2. What's the answer to 3? 1. You better know it. Anything to the 0 power is 1. All right, here we go. Number 3. You got a circle is drawn with 5 diameters. What's a diameter? Shh. What's a diameter? I got a circle, first of all, right? What's a diameter? No. It does what? It cuts it in half, the middle. Like, how many of them do I have?
5.
How many does it say?
No,
How many does it say?
5.
Really?
5.
5. I'm pointing right to it, people.
Oh, never mind.
All right, so here's 1. Here's 2. Stop it. Let's see. 3. 4, and I gotta fit one more in here. Let's see, 5. It's a pizza. How many slices of pizza do you have?
12.
No.
10.
10. Isn't that what it said right here? 10 equal parts? Okay. Each sector has an angle at the center that is called the central angle. What is the total of 5 of those central angles? Okay, so how much does a circle add to B?
30. 90. 180.
Nope, that's a straight line. 360. All right, how many pieces do I have of the pizza? 10. So I'm going to divide it by 10.
6.
How much is it?
36.
36. So each one is 36, right? How many did it want? What's the total of 5 of them? So what do I do to 5 and 36? Nope. Times them.
So what big? 180.
180. You're going to see it on that test in April. Go ahead and get used to it. Are y'all okay? Okay, here's what we're going to do. We're reviewing today because you have a test tomorrow, and mark my words, you're going to want to make sure this review is finished and correct. So when we put them up here, listen, when we put these answers up here, you better make sure that you check your answers, okay? You're going to want to make sure your answers are correct for tomorrow. Got it? All right, here we go. I think that's 3. One. All right, we're gonna do a couple together. You ready? And then y'all gonna do them on your own. Here we go. Here we go. Here we go. Got your name on your paper? Hey, stop it. Number 1. All right, when you divide the bases, what do I do to these little numbers? You subtract. Here we go. Draw your bar. G to the 3 minus G to the 1. How many G's? 2. Where's it go? Top or bottom? Top. All right, let's see. 5 minus 2 is? 3. Hold on a minute. Let it focus. 3. Where's H to the 3 go? Top. What's on the bottom? A 1. But what's my simplified answer?
G to the 2nd, H to the 3rd.
Perfect. Y'all okay? All right, let's do number 5. Let's do number 5. How many D's do I have? 1. So what do I do to 3 and 9? No. Multiply. 3 times 9 is 27. All right, let's do 6. Here we go. 6. All right, so when you divide the bases, what do you do to little numbers? Subtract, but you subtract them so it's positive. 17 minus 13 is? Where does it go? Down. The bigger one is down. What's on the top? 1. You have to write the 1 on the top. Then it's wrong. Who you sucking your teeth at? Are y'all okay? Yes, no, maybe? Y'all okay? All right, we're going to write. Catherine, stop talking or your seat is going to permanently move. We have had this discussion already. William, you do not instigate her. What should be the response that I hear?
Yes, ma'am.
Thank you, sir. All right, so we're going to put the answers up here on the board. So y'all go ahead and start on 2, 3, 4. Who wants 2?
Me.
William, you want 2?
Yeah.
Who wants 3? Kelvin? Okay. They're on the board now. Okay. Sorry. I thought I left it out. All right, guys. Here's 1 through 9. Make sure you got them right. Make sure you know how to do it for tomorrow. What time do we get out of here? 32? 52? Ooh, Lord, we got a minute. Okay, we got plenty of time.
Oh, dude.
Where'd my pen go? One of you better hope I don't find out who wrote that at the top of the paper.
Yeah, I do. But I just don't. Yes.
All right, y'all want to do 14 together? Huh? No, we'll do 14. All right, what's 32 divided by 4? 8. Where's the 8 go? Where's the bigger one? Top. All right. Does this negative 8? It's negative, right? Where does it go to make it positive? On the bottom. Where does this one go? Does he stay or does he go?
He stays.
He stays. What about this B? Does he stay or go? He stays. What about this B? He stays. What about this C? He goes on the bottom. What about this C? Goes on top. All right, these two are right next to each other. So what do I do to the 8 and the 3?
Subtract.
No.
Do you add them?
You add them. What's 8 plus 3?
11.
11. Multiply the bases, add the exponents. All right, what about the B's? You're you're dividing the bases, so what do I do to the exponents? Subtract. What's 5 minus 3? 2. What about these two? You divide the bases, and what do you do to the exponents? No.
Subtract.
Come on, guys. Y'all know this. You got a test tomorrow. All right. Got about 8 more left. All right. There's 15 and 16. 15 and 16. Make sure you get your answers right. Let's see. Cameron Rutledge, you want to do 17 for me?
Sure.
Come on down. All right, there's 17 and 18. We got 4 more left to do. Katie, you want to do 19 for us?
Yeah, I guess so.
This is a 10.
Yeah, I had it there.
Well, it was way over there on the side. Here, let's do this. Yes. Okay.
Do you have that size for tomorrow?
Yes. I do not have a key made for that yet, though.
Okay, that's fine. At least I can work it out and try to help you more. Do you have any notes from yesterday that I can have?
Yes. And the video is on Google Classroom of yesterday.
Is it? I usually get your emails and I get the. I was trying to do for you an email and I get things to these notes.
Yes.
This is.
This is what we did yesterday.
Thank you.
Is this yours? Probably Cody's. Mm-hmm. And tomorrow I will be in the library. And they're going to be able to use their study guides, and only their study guides on this test.
The one
When we just did. Mm-hmm.
Oh, they can do that?
Mm-hmm. Hey, dears.
Okay.